All right, Ethan. We got a job up in Aurora, so it is a little bit of a drive. That's the patio. So we do have a patio edge coming in. I was thinking about bringing it over here. It's a 6-foot patio wall for the pond. This project that Ethan's on is kind of exciting to me, just because the client himself has been dreaming of this project for years. He's been watching videos after videos of Greg Whitstock, the pond guy, our YouTubes, other people we know like Alan Decker at Deckerscapes, Atlantis Water Gardens. I mean, he's been on the internet for years to envision a water feature for himself, and he found us on social media and gave us a call. This project started off as a 10 by 14 pond in the back of his yard, and he just was thinking about it, sitting on it, sleeping on it, and he ended up deciding to move it from the backyard where he had a little bit limited space to move it up to the front yard. And instead of a 11 by 16 pond, he expanded it to an 18 by 12 pond, upgraded from a skimmer box into an intake bay, added all sorts of bells and whistles like aeration system, jets, a patio edge with a patio, and he turned this 11 by 16 pond into this, top of the line Cadillac version of a water feature created by us at Hiner Outdoor Living. So I'm really excited to see this one come together, but I'm also more excited to give this client a dream that he's been envisioning for years to reality.
Welcome to Hiner Outdoor Living. We're a team of yardists taking boring, cookie-cutter yards and transforming them into one-of-a-kind backyard retreats. Join us as we bring quality, passion, and fun to yards all across the Colorado Front Range, inspiring life outside.
All right, guys, we are here at the last stop of the day. We're gonna go check in on Ethan, see what progress he's making. And for the rest of the day, we're here to help him out. So let's go ahead, take a look and see what we got going on. Got 5 guys here, 6 including myself, all working on this thing. We have a couple guys that just wrapped up this patio. We got Dakota over here getting some plumbing and the pumps in. We got Will, Dominic getting some irrigation ran so we can get the jets and the autofill on this water feature. And Oscar and Ethan working on the favorite part, or at least my favorite part, the waterfalls. So we're gonna get some nice rocks in here, get the waterfalls up and ready, and just a lot of moving parts. So just excited to see this thing come together, but a lot of work ahead of us. Ethan knocked it out of the park. The customer is so thrilled. Again, this has been his dream and vision for years. He found us on YouTube and social media. He definitely did his homework and his research on who he wanted to hire. The water feature was not even completed. It was still filling. Plants weren't even done. And he's here sending me pictures of his water feature, just super excited. So this is gonna be the first time that I'll actually see him with the water filled and water feature running. One of my favorite parts of my job is when I have a customer that is just excited about his yard transformation. And this is no exception. So not only am I excited that he is, but I'm also excited to show you guys what this is looking like. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, we are here at the water feature Ethan just finished, and it turned out awesome. We have so many bells and whistles. First off, the patio edge. I love incorporating the patio to the pond, giving it that dock feel, and it really just integrates the outdoor living space and has that nice smooth transition. Some other bells and whistles of this water feature is the aerator, the extended stream, the jets, the intake bay. Overall, this pond turned out awesome. This is what I like to call the Cadillac of water features. I love how the stream has some twists and turns. There's a mystery falls that you can't see from every angle. And overall, the shape of the water feature, it's gonna look really good too in a few years when all the terrestrial plants grow, when he gets aquatic plants in, and it's just gonna age really well. Thank you for tuning in. Hit that bell, subscribe, like, come back so you can see more water features like this.